Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at straight line graphs, but to start off with, we have a warm-up quiz. This graph relates distance and time for a journey in a train. How far did the train travel in the first hour? So it started at 0 and then it got up to 50. So it's obviously travelled 50 take 0, which is 50 kilometres in the first hour. In the second hour, from hour 1 to hour 2, it's still at 50 both times, so it travelled nothing, 0 kilometres. And then in the third hour, it has gone from a distance of 50 all the way up to 200. So 200 take 50, it'll be 150 kilometres. Okay, what was the total distance travelled? Well, it went from 0 all the way up to 200, so it went 200 kilometres. Which hour was the train at rest? That's the second hour. So here's the first hour. Here's the second hour. And as we can see, in between those two dot points, it's just completely horizontal. It has not gone up in distance. During which hour was the train travelling its fastest? Well, if it went from 50 kilometres distance to 200 kilometres distance in 1 hour, that means it was going 150 kilometres an hour, which is definitely the fastest. That was in the third hour. Okay, this graph shows the relationship between age and height of two people, Amanda and George. Who is older? So older means you must be more forward in terms of age, and that will be G for George. Who is taller? It will be in terms of height. And A is higher than G, so A, Amanda, is taller. All right, write the missing numbers. -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3. We're going up by 1 every time. This time, we're going up by 2 every time, because that's what I saw between -3 and -1, and -1 and 1. Therefore, 3, 5. 12 and 7, so that means we've gone down by 5. If we go down by another 5, it will be 2, then -3, then -8, -13, -18. And for this one, we've gone down by 9 there, and we've gone down by -18 there, which means it's 2 lots of -9. So that means that pattern is correct, going down by -9 every time. Adding 9 every time. When a minus number gets smaller, it means you're actually adding. So that means this will go to 5 and this will go to 14. That'd be right. +9, +9, 9, 9. Yes, it would be. Okay. Keeping on going. The x-coordinate in 2, 3 is 2. Right, the x-coordinate for these points. So the x-coordinate is the first point. Just think of it alphabetically. X and then Y. So 1, 1, 0, -3. And for Y, it's going to be the other way around. Y is always going to be the second one that's listed. So here, it's going to be 6, -1, 0, 2. The coordinates of the point A on the graph below are 2, 3. What are the coordinates of these points? So B is at 1, 2. So remember, go sideways first. C is at 2, 1. D is at 3, 2. If square equals triangle plus 4, find the value of square when triangle equals 3. Well, 3 plus 4 is 7. 0 plus 4 is 4. -2 plus 4 will be -2. No, that's wrong. +2. +2. Okay, if square equals 2 times triangle minus 5, find the value of square when triangle equals 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, take 5 is -1. 2 times 0 is 0, take 5 is -5. 2 times -3 is -6, take another 5 and you'll get -11. And the last thing we've got is just to fill up these tables. So square equals 2 times triangle. So whatever the number at the top is, we've got to multiply it by 2. So that means this one's going to be minus 4, minus 2. 2 times 0 is 0. And we can see a pattern. It's going up by 2 every time. And this time it's going to be multiplied by 3 and then minus 4. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Take 4 is minus 10. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Take 4 is minus 7. And you see again, I can see that it's going up by 3 every time. So that's going to continue. Minus 4, minus 1, and 2. Okay, there's those ones. Just let me know if you've got any questions about that in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.